In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through a 4-step process to consistently earn $3,000 to $4,000 monthly with Amazon through AI-generated articles. The method creates 2 income streams for you. Step 1 involves using a powerful tool, SpyFu.com, to identify high-demand products on Amazon. Once identified, we affiliate with these products to earn commissions. In Step 3, we leverage ChatGPT to generate high-quality, sales-driven articles. Finally, I'll reveal how to maximize earnings by diversifying income streams. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a plug-and-play system to generate thousands by promoting sought-after Amazon products. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. So once you've typed in your keyword here, you just click on search, and what SpyFu has done is giving me some in-depth information about this particular keyword. Don't get intimidated by this is very simple. Inside right here, you can see the monthly searches. What this means is that every month, this particular keyword is getting over 100,000 searches. So this is a very popular keyword. As you can see right here, there's an estimated clicks of 65,000 on this keyword right here. And as we scroll down, you'll be able to see whether this is on mobile desktop. And most importantly, what you're going to identify here is the keyword difficulty. On Google, it ranks from 0 being the easiest to rank and 100 being the hardest to rank. And this keyword is only at 33, so we should be able to rank even as complete beginners. This is very crucial information. Whatever keyword you're looking for, make sure that it has a high search volume and a very low keyword difficulty. Because most of you guys are watching this video are probably beginners, and you're just getting started with this. You don't want to try around for a keyword that's like 50, 60, or 70 because you simply won't be able to get any traffic with a keyword like that. Because there's big companies and marketing firms that have been around for years, targeting those higher-end keywords. But once again, make sure you go for a keyword that has a high monthly volume and a very low keyword difficulty. Another tip here, if you don't find a good keyword on the first time around, SpyFu actually gives you some suggestions of keywords that you can use. So you can see right here. If I click on mini fridge freezer, they have over 14,000 searches every month. So once you do find your keyword, in my case, mini fridge is a very good one. What I'm going to do is move into the next step now, which is where we're going to go on Amazon. We're going to find products that are directly related to this particular keyword so we can use them to promote and make money online. Now moving into the second step of this process, what you guys need to do right now is head over to Amazon. Once you're on this page, you just want to go to the top left-hand corner where it says Best Sellers. Now in this section of Amazon, it's going to show you the best-selling items in literally every single category. So no matter what niche you pick, no matter what keyword you selected, we're going to find a product right here that people are buying. And we know for a fact from the Google searches that it is in high demand. So this is just going to be simply connecting a high-demand keyword that is being searched on Google. And we're going to connect it with a hot product that we know for a fact is selling very great right now. So once you're on here, whichever keyword you selected, you just want to scroll through this list right here and find a product that is directly related. So, for instance, if your keyword was related to office supplies, you just click into this section right here. And then you'll be able to see all of the hottest office supplies that are selling great on Amazon. For my keyword, it wasn't on this main list right here. So what I had to do was go look on the left-hand side at the categories and find my particular category, which is large appliances. Now, following that, what you want to do is just simply look through this list and find products for at least over 100 so you can get a good commission every time you make a sale with one of these products. So I picked this one right here, another one which is also a mini fridge, and I've got this final one which is around $100. So this is exactly what you want to do. You want to pick at least 3 products, add them into new tabs as you're going to need them for the next step. Which is why I'm going to show you how to use AI to generate quality articles that are going to get you tons of traffic over onto your affiliate links so you can make sales with these products. And another important thing. I forgot to mention is make sure that you already signed up to the Amazon Associates program, right? Because what's going to happen is that you're going to need to get your affiliate link, and the only way to do that is to be connected to the Amazon affiliate program, or you can just simply click at the top right here, and then you'll have access to your affiliate link, which is what you're going to need to put inside of your articles to make money online. So, now that we know our niche keyword is in high demand and we found some great products on Amazon that are selling very well, now it's time to move into step number 3, which is where we're going to generate these amazing high-quality articles on ChatGPT. I promise you this is going to blow your mind how quick and easy this is to get this business up and running. Now, I want to pay very close attention to this section of this video, because this is where I see most of my students struggle. And if you want the desired results from this, if you want to hit that $3,000, that $4,000 a month, it's essential that you get this part right. I'm going to show you how to interact with this ChatGPT to get quality responses. It's not going to be basic responses like how to make this or make me a meal plan or, show me how to make money. I'm going to show you real high-level strategies that only 10% of people are using on ChatGPT to get insane results. Now, to generate a high-quality article, ChatGPT that ranks for on Google and makes us money, it needs to have a great structure and follow a particular formula. So, as you can see, the first thing I prompted ChatGPT to do is generate an outline for an article about mini fridges. But you can put whatever keyword that you found on the website that I showed you earlier. It could be cool car gadgets, the best iPhones, the best laptops, or gaming. Whatever the topic may be. As you can see, this is the result that ChatGPT has given us. And don't worry if your exact products are not on here, because what we're going to do is simply replace these with our own products right here that we found on Amazon. After this, what you want to do is ask the AI to write an introduction paragraph, because this is needed for every single blog. After the main H1 title, you need a short introduction. And then simply add the titles of the 3 products that you found on Amazon. And once again, you're going to hit send, and just like that, as you can see, it's right in the introduction. And it's mentioned all of the mini fridges that I found. So, you're simply going to do the same by entering the same prompt with your particular product. As you can see already, we've got this coming here in our ChatGPT to write articles about mini fridges. We're doing it step by step, and we're adding in relevant information. And this is how you're going to get a quality article from ChatGPT, and you're not just asking generic questions like a majority of people do when they come onto ChatGPT. Now, the next thing we want to get the AI to do right here is write an overview of each of the products that we've selected. So, what I've simply done right here is to ask it to write an overview about my first item, which in this case is the Russell Hobbs mini freezer. And then I'm going to click send, and just like that, as you can see, it's written an overview of my first product. And then what you want to do is just simply repeat this. So, just copy this first section right here, write an overview, and then you just paste the second item and then the third item. And just like that, you will have a full blog. You have your main headline, your introduction paragraph, then you'll have an overview of each of your 3 products that you've chosen. And then, finally, you ask ChatGPT to write a closing statement, and just like that, you will have a full article written by AI that's relevant to this very moment, because these products right here that we've selected are selling on Amazon. And then you can put in your affiliate link. And this is how you're going to make money. This is very, very powerful stuff that I'm showing you right here. Once you're all done and you've got your full article, you just want to go back through the questions that you brought ChatGPT and just copy and paste the relevant information over onto a Word document. And you'll be ready to move into the next step, which is where you're going to monetize our tool and make money online. Now, carrying on into the next step, which is where we're going to turn our AI-generated article into a money-making machine. To do this, you have 2 options. Option number 1, which is my favorite. You can just go ahead and post this article on your personal blog. Now, this is a great option because you'll be building your own online asset that cannot be taken away from you. Now option number 2, which is more of a short-term method, is to post your article to websites like Vocal and Medium. This allows you to get in front of hundreds of millions of people and start getting sales, clicks, and make commissions right away with 100% free traffic. What's even better is that these websites are going to pay you for the views that you get on these articles. So, on top of the affiliate commissions that you're making through Amazon, they're just going to pay you for people clicking on your article and reading it. This provides the potential for multiple streams of income when using this strategy. Since I know most of you guys are going to opt for option 2, let's go ahead and show you step by step how you can upload your AI-generated article onto the Vocal platform. After you've made an account on Vocal, which is over at vocal.media, all you need to do is go to the top right-hand corner where it says Create Story. From there, you'll see different sections where you'll be able to input all the information about your article. For instance, you have the title, subtitle, and you'll be able to upload your main banner image, which is like a featured image, and then at the bottom, you'll be able to add the body of your article. So, let's start with the title. If we go over to my document right here, this is the title I'm using for my article, The Best Mini Fridge to Buy Right Now. Simply go back over to Vocal and paste it right here. Copy and paste your entire article from your Google Docs and paste it onto Vocal. As you can see, I've uploaded my entire article that's fully generated from ChatGPT onto Vocal, which is where we're going to get the majority of our free traffic. The next thing you can do to make this article stand out is actually add images from Amazon. To do this, right-click the image on Amazon, save it, and then upload it by hitting the plus button on Vocal. This will allow you to add an image for each of your products and make sure there's an image selected at the top, because this is what's going to show up when people are on Vocal looking through different articles. This is the main image that's going to show up. So optimizing your article in this way will help it stand out and attract more views and traffic to your profile. Last but not least, the most important thing to do here is add your affiliate links. To do that, highlight the text, click where it says link, and then paste in your affiliate link. Repeat this process throughout the article wherever there's relevant information related to the fridges or any keyword or product you've selected. This way, when people read, get information, and click over to make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. This is how you're going to make money on the Vocal platform, taking advantage of affiliate marketing through Amazon. If you're a beginner and want to make the most money with this strategy I've shown you today, I recommend posting on Vocal, posting on Medium, and also creating your own blog. That's 3 different traffic sources bringing in visitors to your affiliate links, and this is the optimal way to make the most money using the Amazon Associates program. Consistency is key here. Post at least 2 to 3 articles every single week. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.